at least for me, having that behavior, and I may even have a physical behavior window near me to remind me, where is this in my view? You know, being able to identify that it's my problem or that it's another person's problem, that is your problem, so that I know exactly what skills to apply, right? Otherwise, I might be trying to apply the wrong skills to the wrong situation,
and going, why is
and
this
the whole
working?
thing goes, yeah, exactly. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? You know, so I think I'll actually have that behavior window with me, so I can say, yeah, that's what I just heard or what I just saw is an other owns the problem. So if they're amenable, I have some helping skills that I can bring to bear on this situation, help them get their needs met.
Yeah, the behavior window for me takes stuff that's very intangible and subjective and has a way to bring it together where, okay, I can put some language to this, and it just brings clarity to past situations that really were very hard to read.
Were you, this is interesting, were you, before the behavior window, or before learning about the behavior window, were there times when you saw what we call now a we own problem and not know how do we even get to a point at which we could kind of address this?
My biggest aha moment with LET overall was that I didn't have to own everyone's problem, because that's who I was as a person. So everything was we own a problem. You came to me, we're going to own this problem together, and we're going to work through it together. And it was very stressful and reaching a point of debilitation just because I couldn't ever move forward in my own life. And I think that's why I sing the praises of LET, because it literally saved my life. If I were to continue down that path, I would be stressed out, miserable.
That's great though, because it removes a lot of stress.
It does. It's so easy, and in my role now as HR, my job is people problems. That's all I do, and I don't bring it home with me. It's very freeing.
I look forward to the opportunity to maintain some relationships that maybe in the past, without these skills, some of those relationships might have been damaged, you know? Maybe not irreparably, but damaged in a way that I could have prevented that. This doesn't let that happen for me. I have a clear understanding when I own it, or when we own it together, or when someone else owns it, and now I know exactly what to do to be able to say, okay, this is something we can work through. I know we can.
It's easy.
I know we can work through this.
I mean, the skills are hard and it takes practice, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Which is huge.